Good morning.
Good morning.
Another early start. It's just coming 8 o'clock and we're ready to leave to head into Universal for the morning. So we're heading in pretty early now, get a few rides done, and then we have breakfast in Ohana. It's a restaurant in the Polynesian Resort over at Disney, just outside Magic Kingdom. That's at 11, and then we're going to head into Magic Kingdom for a little while, walk around the shops because we haven't really done that. It's been all go.
Yeah.
We'll see if we can get a ride, but we're not going to get too excited because
Jungle cruise, hopefully.
I don't know, it's always super long. But then we're coming out and we are going to get dinner in some chocolate emporium because we've been trying to get a reservation for that for so long, and she was like, we can't get you in the evening, so your best bet would be to come about 4 or 5.
That's the maximum for standby,
Yeah, like no later than 5. So if we get dinner early, and then we're gonna head into Volcano Bay for the evening, because that's when a lot of the people start coming out.
Yeah, if you go in about an hour or two before closing time, everyone's coming out, so all the queues are way lower than there.
Yeah, and it's literally like, what do you see? It's right there. So
yeah, you don't even need to take anything. Like I went over yesterday and all I took was my shorts and a towel.
Yeah, so it's handy. We can just hop over there through the back entrance because we're staying in the cabana. So that is the plan for the evening, and then when the park closes, I think it closes, what time does it close? 8?
You fucking a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. So when that closes at 8, we're gonna come back here and do s'mores and just get some pizza at the hotel and have a chill night down at the fire pit or by the pool. So that's the plan. Super busy day, a lot of back and forth, but I'm excited.
Start?
It has arrived.
Does he?
Mickey waffles. Connor got the classic one and I just got the veggie one. So it has veggie sausages, some biscuits and potatoes, and Connor will eat the eggs.
2 defeated people here. Nicola never wants to eat again.
I never want to eat another bite of food ever again.
Yeah. It was so nice.
Oh, it was so good. So good.
It was so filling.
Just so filling. Oh, it was good.
The waffles are 10 out of 10. If you're ever here, get the waffles.
Yeah, they were so nice.
Especially the Stitch one.
I'm just so full.
Really?
Don't drop it.
Fun fact for you, this treehouse is actually 50 years old.
Is it?
Yeah, we said that when we were coming up.
Wow. It's so well.
It is. Apart from the beds, they are tiny. Ah.
Heaven.
There's the castle in the distance.
My house.
Here, Nicholas' house. Then there somewhere. This is a massive snack.
It's the peanut butter cookies, meant to be so good, from the Main Street Confectionery. And then we got some popcorn with M&Ms in it, but they're all
They're down the bottom somewhere, you can see them.
I'm still so full from breakfast, but I wanted to get this cookie, so I'll have it later on tonight when I'm hungry again. Oh look! Winnie the Pooh!
Oh yeah.
See, but yeah, we are leaving Magic Kingdom now. It's our last time in it until our next trip, but it's been a good one. Disney, going to get a Lyft or an Uber now. Our original plan was to go to Toothsome's Chocolate Emporium for dinner, like early. Not happening. We're too full. Like it would be piggery if we went, so we're just gonna go into Universal now and just maybe get some snacks around the stalls, and then
pizza.
Yeah, and then head to Volcano Bay and like get something at the hotel later on tonight and do s'mores. So that's the plan, and we'll see you in Universal. Stop by Margaritaville.
2 margaritas, please.
And we're struggling.
They're the strongest things ever.
They're so strong. Oh
it's like
my
saltwater
god,
tequila.
it's like saltwater tequila and a tiny touch of lime. But we could be worse places. Hard Rock, Chocolate Emporium, and the Hemisphere Dancer right behind us. Your favorite plane? That was extreme. We just spent the last hour. It's 8 o'clock now, the park's closed. It was 7 when we ran over from the hotel. Oh my god, and we just done like all the slides.
I done the volcano 3 times and Nicola done it twice.
Yeah, we just off it there literally 2 seconds ago. It is insane! 68 miles per hour.
That's really just a free fall.
It is the fastest thing ever. Like you can't even catch your breath, and it's just like
It doesn't last more than like 3 or 4 seconds.
Yeah, it's insane. It's the point up there, Connor. It's that tube. You can just kind of see. You can't really see it, but it's crazy.
It's unreal.
Yeah, so we're just off that, and oh my god, like when we came in first, we literally just sprinted up, and it was right now because you have the tapu. If you read up about Volcano Bay, you'll understand. And it was right now, so we just literally sprinted up.
And like during the day too, that ride would be like 120 minutes easy.
Because it's peak season.
Yeah.
But we ran up, and there was no one there, and it was literally like, oh my god, because I didn't do it this holiday yet, and it was like, didn't even have time to comprehend what was happening, and we were just after having like really strong drinks.
I felt a bit drunk.
No, I'm not drunk, but half cut getting on that, and I'm glad because it's just crazy. So much fun.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it was a great time to come in. We literally, my heart has not settled. Like we sprinted around the park and just done everything.
If you ever stayed in Cabana Bay, land in Volcano Bay at 6:30, 7, you're going to get everything without any wet.
Yeah, and it's like just look, it's
Plus
insane.
It's way better at night time.
Yeah, so much fun at night time because there's no crowds, but a really fun evening. I must say, but we're starving now, so back to the hotel, get a shower and get some pizza. And we are finally getting food after a busy day. Yum! Bon appetit! Got some breakfast. That's all included in the ticket.
and eat everything.
You want as much as you want, so we
went a bit late in the lunch.
we thought we'd try a bit of everything. So I got some wrap, some quinoa, salad, cheesecake, roasted potatoes, tortilla chips. Connor got
chicken tenders and a burger
and chips and cheesecake as well. So it's a little bit later. We forgot to update you at the park. We were just having so much fun. The swimming with the stingrays was unreal.
It was so good.
Oh my god, it was so...
Nicola was a bit scared.
I was so scared. They're like 8 feet long. I've never seen, even thought that a stingray could be that big. They were massive. But then once, like about after 15 minutes, when I was actually looking at them and how gentle they are and just how they glide, it was really grand.
So gentle.
They're beautiful, and all the fish, it was just stunning. We really recommend going there, like if you want to experience kind of swimming with different kind of creatures, different fish and different animals, but to be safe.
Like going swimming in the reef.
Yeah.
Without being in the sea.
Exactly, but it was just unreal. Like, it's so nice and it's such a chill, relaxing day. It was a great day. But we came back, had a bit of a rest and got ready for our evening in Universal. So we're ready now to head in on the bus to Universal. We'll be there in about 10 minutes. And we're going to spend our last night going through, doing some rides, and then we're eating at the Hard Rock. So that's the plan for tonight. Look at the size of that. He got a slice over in the pizza parlor over there. We're just sitting here now waiting for Mardi Gras Parade to start. It's getting busy. right to wear a white shirt. First pizza, now a Bloody Mary.
What a mission.
What could go wrong?
This is where this happened. Okay, full disclosure, I lied on my resume to get this job. It just said like know about computers. I didn't think it meant that. Have any of you guys seen this kind of thing before? Like a YouTube video I could watch? Subreddit, TikTok, Pinterest, anything, please? Okay, just don't tell me I don't know what's happening. I'll make it work.
Jamie,
hi.
The buses are here.
Awesome, yeah, the buses for these guys for the party today for Dom's calling. How do I?
I got this, Jamie.
Awesome.
Dom, what up?
So much cooler at night.
That's unbelievable at night.
We've got ice cream before dinner.
I know. We've
So
done it in
good.
half an hour.
So good though. Nocturnal alley.
Ooh, spooky. Is that Ron Weasley?
This is
Potter.
Last train back to London, 2200. Welcome to Hogsmeade, dear.